Hi everyone again. I'm so thrilled to make the lessons again and welcome to Learn and Share channel. So here I'm going to focus on spelling again. As you can see here, E and A letters. When E and A come together, in most cases, not in all cases, but in most cases, these are going to be pronounced like E. So let's take a look at the words, at the examples. Leave, leave, leave. Heat, heat, heat. Read, read, read. Do you love reading books? Weak, weak, weak. Mean, mean, to mean, to mean. Cream, cream, cream. Now let's take a look at the second row. Dream, dream, dream. Season, season, season. Seat, seat, seat. Peak, peak of a mountain, peak of a mountain. Scream, scream, scream. Last but not least, ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Now it's time to review all the words one more time. I'm gonna go first and you're gonna repeat after me. Leave, heat, read, weak, to mean, cream, dream, season, seat, peak, scream, ice cream. Now it's time to look at the sentences and see the words in the sentences. Are you leaving? Are you leaving? Leaving. In this case, the word leave or leaving has EA. Okay, now let's take a look at the next sentence. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I didn't mean to say that. Didn't mean. So in this case, the word mean has E and A letters. Now the next one. What is your favorite season? What is a favorite season? Yeah, what is a favorite season? Mine is winter because my birthday is in winter. What is your favorite season? Okay, in this case, the word season has EA letters, which is pronounced E, season. Next sentence. Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? In this question sentence, we can see the word screaming. Screaming. The word screaming has EA letters and which is pronounced E. Screaming. Screaming. Okay, the last one. What I really love is chocolate ice cream. What I really love is chocolate ice cream. So in this sentence, we can see two words that consist EA. Those are really and ice cream. Really, ice cream. Let's review one more time all words. Leaving, leaving, mean, didn't mean. Season, season. Screaming, screaming. Really, really. Ice cream, ice cream. Okay, that's it for today. I hope that was helpful for you, and see you in the next lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe. Follow me for more.